Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to link stuff on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Linking content on your Wix site is a great way to guide visitors to specific pages, external websites, documents, and more. Now, for you to be able to do that, I want you to hover to the Wix editor, and that's going to be clicking the sites on the left side panel of your dashboard. And once you are here, I want you to hover to the, for example, you wanted to link some stuff here on your text. You see there's going to be an icon that says link. All right. If you do that, you have all of these options. You can choose the type of link you want to add. For example, nothing, no link. Choose from the list of options to add a link to your element. How about a page? Is it going to be for a new window, current window? You can also opt in for advanced SEO settings. Or is it going to be a web address wherein you can just put the web address here? For example, I'm going to put the URL of our Jeep Laughs YouTube channel. If you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button to get notifications on our latest content. Now, in this scenario, I'm going to click on it and then switch over here, paste the link right here and click on done. That's one way. How about images? For example, this one. If you want to, same method, if you want to click that, you might want to go for the, let's say, is it going to be like a web address? You can do that as well. All right. How about, for example, we're going to put it this one. If you want to link a button, if you click on add elements right here, for example, that's going to be something like a PDF. All right. Like a PDF button or download button for that instance. All right. I'm going to switch over to the one of my best platforms to do that. Now, in this case, I'm going to click on the option to share. You see, there's going to be an option that says website. If you want it or public link view, I'm going to click on this link right here. Okay, create link with watermarks. Now the link has been copied. I'm going to switch over to Wix. And again, on the download button, go to the link right here and put in the web address or kind of like the and link that you wanted. Paste on it, and that's basically how you link stuff on Wix. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.